Hi, Shannon from Norse Interiors here. We specialize in upgrading IKEA furniture with Scandinavian-designed components. Now we're going to show you how easy it is to upgrade the IKEA storage unit called the Besta. With the help of Cynthia, who runs a fantastic blog called Home Beautifully, we'll walk you through how to put together a credenza using the two-door Besta and Norse Interiors upgrading components. We recommend that you always anchor the unit to the wall to ensure safety to give the IKEA system added stability. Cynthia has chosen the Besta in dark brown, which will create a nice base for her upgrade. She's only building the frame of the cabinet, which is $60 at IKEA, making it a zero-waste makeover. Once you've built the Besta, it's time to add Norse Interiors components. We'll add two side panels, a top, two doors, and four legs. These panels are called Iconic Iron, which is the perfect combination of gray and iron. Like all of our colors, it has a semi-sheen finish. Before you start, wipe off the surface with a dry cloth. Then take the tape strips that come with the Norse package and then press them without removing the liner into each corner of the cabinet, about half an inch from the edges. Add the remaining strips at an even distance from each other. Before removing the liner, practice adding the sides to the system. Make sure there is no gap when adding the top. The side should stick out in the front in order to create a frame for the doors. Remove the liner and attach the sides. Apply pressure and hold for 60 seconds. Repeat that process for the second side and the top. To add some height to the cabinet, Cynthia is adding Norse legs called Vega in natural ash wood. Start by removing the plastic cover of each hole on the bottom of the IKEA system. Simply screw in the leg until it is flush against the bottom of the cabinet. Then it's time for the door, and here Cynthia has chosen our design called the Eleanor, which is a timeless fishtail-inspired pattern. Using the IKEA Besta hinges, attach them to the door and mount the door to the IKEA system. You'll use the top and bottom holes for this. Adjust the hinges to make the doors perfectly level. IKEA's hinges are adjustable in height, depth, and width by loosening or tightening the three screws on the hinge that are not used for attaching it to the frame. And voila, the credenza is finished. If you want to add knobs or pulls to the cabinet as a final finish, always drill from the outside in and place a piece of firm material on the inside to drill into. If you don't drill into something, you run a high risk of chipping the paint. We hope you like Cynthia's creation. For more options, go to our website or follow us on Instagram at Norse Interiors. Don't forget to check out Cynthia's blog called Home Beautifully, where you will find simple solutions for making your home look and feel beautiful.